Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another beautiful little piece of Armcandy for you today. So this is Versace Python wallet. You can see it's got that beautiful Versace logo. It's in this multicoloured Python skin leather, which is really fun. So I'm going to talk you through all the features. So we've got a flat closure that's got a little press stud fasten there. And then inside we've got two flat pockets, one there, one there. We've got 4 card slots, and then we've got a little zipped section as well. And then along the edge, we've got one longer notes pocket in there. So it's just a little wallet, but it has everything that you would need in a little purse or wallet. It's in a lovely condition as well. So we've called the exterior good condition. There's just the tiniest bit of wear to one of these corners. So you can see that most of these are actually very nice condition, but this one corner here, you can see just has a bit of wear to it there. And then this python skin, you can see that it has a little bit of lifting, which you're only going to really be able to tell. You can see if you look at it like that, it looks perfect and it's got a lovely shine to it. But when you look kind of at a certain angle, you can see that it's got a little bit of lifting to it. So that is why we've called the exterior good condition. The hardware we've called good condition as well. So this Versace logo on the front, you can see that it's gold hardware. But if you do look closely, you can see that there is a little bit of silver coming through on there from where that gold is just worn away a little bit. But it's very minimal. And then the rest of it is in very nice condition. So you can see all of that gold colour still looks really nice. And there's a little bit of marking to that zip pull, but a very, very tiny bit. And the interior, again, we've called good condition. This lovely smooth leather still has a lovely shine to it, you can see, but there's just a little bit of kind of bending. Some really small little scratches in there. But again, mostly in a very lovely condition. So that is why I've called it good all round. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Versace box and Versace dust bag as well. So if it is a gift for somebody, it always is nice when it comes with the box. And if you'd like to see it on our website, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. So when you click that link, it will take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. You'll be able to see all the details for it, and you'll be able to add it to the cart as well. So don't forget to do that while it's still available. If you click that link and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean that this has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you are sad that you've missed out on this one, don't worry, just let us know. We'll get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, or another one like it, we'll let you know, and you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Don't forget to get on there if you are interested in one of these. And while you're on our website as well, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. When you sign up to our newsletter, you'll get your welcome discount code, so don't miss out on that. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer pieces like this one. And we'll see you very soon with some more gorgeous bags.